Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this lovely Kia Picanto X-Line Auto. Now this vehicle is currently on 10,319 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour Aurora Black, and if you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front. You do have LED daytime running lights that really light up the road well and really complement the vehicle throughout the day. You also have fog lamps, which are great for when the visibility is poor. You do have 16-inch alloy wheels. You do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror. You also have a rear privacy glass, giving you nice privacy to the rear. It gives the vehicle a nice sleek feel. Here inside to the rear, you do have leather seats finished in grey with nice green contrast stitching to complement the exterior features. The right ice fix points, you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind as well. You have your Picanto X-Line badging on the tailgate, and opening up the boot, you do have a very nice amount of space. You can easily fit a weekly shop in there nicely. It's great to load things in very easily if you just pop in to the shops. Now let's take a look inside here to the front. You have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. You have your front seats here, finished in leather again. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Kia has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you do have your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. With the folding mirrors, you can quickly fold them in and keep them protected. It's very handy when I'm parking on narrow roads, for example, as you can prevent them from being knocked off by other road users. You do have full electric windows, front and rear. You have your door locks as well as window locks as well. You have your wiper stalk there, and here you have your controls for your digital display here in between the dials in the instrument cluster. You can flick through your different information, such as your miles to the gallon, average speed. You can also display different menus as well. You have your forward collision warning. You have your autonomous emergency braking. You can make adjustments to how late or early this alerts you. This can emergency brake when necessary to prevent or reduce impact. You have some controls here as well. These make adjustments to the infotainment system. And then behind, you do have your automatic headlight switch, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. You can always be sure the road will be well lit when set to auto, when it's necessary to be. You do have your indicator stalk as well. Now here in the centre, you have your touchscreen infotainment system that offers you DAB, FM and AM radio. With DAB, you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clear. You also have the option as well to connect your own source of audio. You can use auxiliary input along with USB, and with your USB you can use Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which brings your phone's interface into the vehicle and allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls and texts using voice command. You can also use compatible apps as well, such as navigation and music streaming services. You can also connect your phone with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls on the go, so you can keep up to date with whatever you need to. You do have a reverse camera along with rear parking sensors, giving you added confidence when parking. Makes you more aware of your surroundings to the rear of the vehicle. Now below here you have your air conditioning. It's very straightforward to use with each switch clearly labelled, making it very easy to make adjustments to. You can be wary of what you are making adjustments to. You have your direction of airflow there to the left, your temperature to the right, and your fan speed in the centre. You also have a button for defrosting the rear windscreen. You have two cup holders there in the centre console as well. Thanks for watching this video on the Kia Picanto X-Line Auto. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.